Hey everyone, welcome to another channel of Enjoy Tech. Today I'm going to unbox this Ulanzi AM18. It's a U mic wireless microphone. Got it from AliExpress, so let's see how that goes. Apparently it's a pretty good mic. Currently I'm recording using the Rode mic. Let me see if I can unplug it here. So this is the Rode mic that I'm recording with. Hopefully you can still hear me. So let me put it back on my top. Testing 1 2. Hopefully you can still hear me. So I'm just going to unbox this device today. I'm gonna use that in the New Year's. Alright, ripping that off. Oh, it's a bit shaky. I'm shaking the table. Cool. Alright, so let's get this off. Oh, nice packaging. Feels premium. Let's see. Alright, so on the packaging, hi-fi audio quality, high sensitive touch operations. Yep, assume this is the receiver, 2 microphones. I'm Chinese but I can't read, but it's pro. Local storage. Okay, 100 meters of accessible reception, stereo, secure audio tracks. Alright, good. Anything at the back? I think just some manual, receiver, camera to the receiver, microphone, Ulanzi. Cool. Alright, I put it there. In the pack you got manual. Yep. Cool, and you have I think it's a USB pack. I assume that's what it is. Let's open it up. Okay. I assume that's the magnet or sticker. Okay. Alright. A pouch. Pretty good. Oop. USB-C. Jack to jack to iOS, and I assume this will be the USB-A to USB-C charger. So this is the USB-C to USB-C. Yep. Cool. Alright, oh, there's more. And hey, the cool fluffy thing. What do you call it? The wind noise thingy. Cool. Nice one. Pretty nice packaging. Yep, certificate of authenticity from Ulanzi. Nothing, this is padding. That's cool. I'll probably put this one back. So let's see. Wow, it's pretty massive box. Dang, it's a pretty big box. So I'll just put some back. Oh, sticky. Maybe it's not supposed to be taken out, but anyway. Oops, sorry about the shake. All right, drum roll. Time to open this one up. Ooh, nice feeling of opening it. I don't like to remove it permanently like this, but I'll just yeah. Whoever that buys stuff from me, if I sell my things, usually the things are like near new condition. You rarely can find scratches or damage, so I keep it really well. So cool. Alright, so this is the unboxing for Ulanzi. Let's see what's inside. Oop, wrong side. Ooh, flash. Oh, that goes well. Flashy flash. So flash. Receiver. Okay. Battery charging, whatever that is. That's the microphone. Wow. Almost feels like Rode, but or DJI. But it's a fraction of the price, to be honest. I think it's about $200 that I got it for, including shipping and GST. So Ulanzi, cool. All right, stay tuned for the next one. This is just an unboxing pouch. So again, you get the pouch. I assume that's the magnet sticker, so ever. A, B, C. Okay, all right. You get USB A to USB C. Cool. USB C to USB C. Jack to lightning. Jack to jack. Cool. All right. And there's the wind muff. All right, cool. Thank you for watching. And once I do a real life testing, I will come back to you. All right. Have a good one. And have a good 2024. Choice.